Areas of research in translation studies. First of all, an overview of what's to follow. Review of translation studies and research. A quick introduction of 5 key areas of translation studies research, followed by the key points of these areas, and then the conclusion. Before we begin with the areas of research in translation studies, let's review a few basic things about translation studies and research. Translation studies is a field of study devoted to describing, analyzing, and theorizing the processes, contexts, and products of the act of translation, as well as the roles of the agents involved. Whereas research is a systematic investigation towards increasing the sum of knowledge. That's to say, it proposes new knowledge by adding to the previous data, or answering a question, or refining something. And research can be carried out in any field. With that, we move on to the areas of research in translation studies. What are the areas of research in translation? Some key areas of translation research as per the map, A Beginner's Guide to Doing Research in Translation Studies by Jenny Williams and Andrew Chesterman are text analysis and translation, translation quality assessment, genre translation, multimedia translation, and translation technologies. Now for the brief introduction of each area. First of all, text analysis and translation. It is of 3 subcategories. Number 1, comparison between source text and target text, where source text analysis may be semantic, syntactic, and stylistic. Comparison between translations and non-translated texts that are similar to it, primarily to note the level of naturalness of the translated text. And lastly, translation with commentary or annotated translation, where the researcher translates the text and provides comments on the process of translation. Next is the translation quality assessment, which is overtly evaluative and is based on 3 main approaches, namely source-oriented, based on equivalence level of translation; target-oriented, which measures the level of naturalness of the target text by comparing it with parallel texts; and translation effects assessment, which deals with the expectations and concerns of the readers or the audience. Then comes the genre translation. Genre, as the name suggests, deals with the various modes or categories of texts, like in the case of translation of various forms of literature, such as drama, poetry, prose, religious texts, children literature, etc. Multimedia translation. Multimedia translation, as the name suggests, deals with the audio-visual text translations in the form of revoicing, subtitling, and surtitling, etc. And lastly, translation technology, or rather translation and technology. In this field, the researcher may evaluate translation softwares, CAT tools, etc., or the effect of technology on translation process, as the process has changed greatly with the advent of new technology and website translations, etc. These were some of the key areas. Other areas of research in translation studies includes translation history, translation ethics, terminologies and glossaries, translation process, translator training, and translation as a profession, etc. For details regarding these and the areas that have been mentioned before, refer to the book The Map, A Beginner's Guide of Doing Research in Translation Studies by Jenny Williams and Andrew Chesterman, for it provides details regarding all these areas and the research questions that may arise or may be tackled by the researcher.